Hello guys, welcome to 3D Home, and to this drive, we're showing you guys something very interesting. Okay, in addition to what I just did on this particular wall, okay, how to create this arc, this vertical arc, I will show you something very simple. In case you want to model, let's see, another kind of arc. All right, so I'll be showing you one simple method on how to do that very fast. This is actually a wall. Let me extend it, and then I'll go inside and show you guys what I'm talking about. Okay, let's say you want to create an arc here, okay, an opening. And it actually depends on the particular shape you want on a particular opening. So let's say you want it kind of, vertical. Let's go inside. Sorry. Let's go inside, then I will show you guys those templates, all right, those shapes templates that you can actually use to do it here. So now let's click on first story. First of all, let's click South Elevation to be sure of the levels. Okay, yeah, this is actually on first story. So let's click on first story. Alright, so this is the wall. From first story, thank God. So from first story, once you click on doors, double click on doors, alright, you'll see something called empty door opening. Empty door opening. So click on this empty door opening. These things you're seeing, let me raise this one up a little. Okay, so all these shapes you're seeing, these ones you're seeing, are actually the template, all right, the arc template that you can use. So if you click on this one and click, and then you can set the height here. This height is 1100. You can make this one let's say 2000, and then this one 1000, that's 3000. Let's see. Once you click OK and you paste it here, let's do it here. Check your 3D now. You will see that particular shape here. Okay, so you can increase the height, based on the settings I just did there. You can actually change your own. And then let's say is still click on story. Let's say we want another kind of opening. These ones are just template actually. I think it will be very important for you guys to see. If you want this type, just click on this one. Do your settings how you want it. Let's say 2000, 2006. Let's make this one 1002. Okay, once you click OK and paste it here, check your 3D, you can see that particular opening here. So if you don't want to go into modeling, if this is the exact thing you want and you don't want to start doing settings and then using your morph tool, if you feel this one is faster, you can use this method. All right, but I believe this one is faster with the template if you're going to use this existing template. But if it's something you want to go into your own creativity and you want to actually model what you have in mind, I would advise you use that first method, which is the one we use with morph tool in modeling. Okay, so let's do one more. Click on that level, the level you want. Let me shift this one. Let me shift this one a little. Can I highlight this? Okay, let's see. Okay, let's shift this one a little. All right, so still under this first story, the level, let's click and use another one. This one and this one are almost the same thing. Okay, let's use this one. 2000 and then 1000. This one should be 2000. See 2000. Okay, and there's where this one works. So let's see how this one is going to come out like. All right. I'm seeing something like different from what we did. Sorry. Let me quickly do that again. This is the shape we want actually. Okay, this is the shape we want. So let's see how this one will show 1000 to 8 something. Okay, let's see. 3D. Okay, so this is it. All right, so these are just these are the templates, the ones we have inside already. Okay, but if you feel like doing something extra, just use the first method, which is how to create arc in Archicad. I've already done that tutorial. You can check it on the videos. All right, so thank you for your time, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe. All right, like, and also if you want me to do anything, all right, in Archicad, please drop it on the comment section. All right, I will go through the comments and then pick them and make tutorials on that. So see you on our next tutorial.